Hello everyone and welcome to our video today. We are going to be fixing the office chair. So with us we have all the components that makes the chair. We will start with the seat part. To this, we will first fix the tilt mechanism. We have pre-perforated holes on the seat, so we'll just screw in our tilt mechanism to it. Remember to make it tight so that it's firm and steady. This is our base. We will add the caster wheels to it. We will not remove the papers, the wrapping papers, because this seat belongs to a client, so we want it to remain as it is. Just push in the caster wheels and they click and lock. It's that simple. So this is something anyone can do at home, at work. This is just how to fix your brand new seat. We want to thank everyone who has subscribed to our channel, and if you have not, kindly subscribe. If this content is helpful to you, please subscribe. Please motivate us by subscribing so that we can bring you more videos of this like. The back part of the seat and the arm and screw it together. We would like to thank Alma Designs for providing all these products so that we can be able to showcase them. And while we are at this, we can just go through some of the products that they have. They have washing machines, they have fridges, freezers, they have microwaves, ovens, and these are just a tip of the iceberg. There is more of their products. You can check them out on Facebook, Instagram, Alma Designs and Appliances on Facebook, Alma Designs KE on Instagram. Thank you once again, Alma Designs, for giving us this platform. We will now attach the back side to the lower side of the seats. Once they hold in firmly, we will find the pre-perforated hole on the back side of the seats, then screw in the arms to the seats. Finding the pre-perforated holes is a bit tricky. You can have your friend help you, as we did with ours. You need someone to hold on one side while you are screwing on the other side. To make this easy, find the holes first, mark them, then attach the arm. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. If you have something you'd like us to show you how to assemble, just comment down below and we'll be glad to do that for you. Our chair is ready and we can now test and see how strong it is. Let's see if it's working, if we can pull up and down. Give us a thumbs up. And subscribe. See you next time. Adios.